Hey guys, Bruce T here, and today I just want to give you guys a quick update what's going on. Today I'm not going to be doing a video on the BMW or the Roush. Today I'm just going to give you guys an update of what's happening in the next couple weeks and tell you guys what's up. The GoPro giveaway ends on Sunday, and this will be the last time I plug it. You only have 2 more days to enter, so send me an email with your name, your YouTube username, and I'll enter you in the contest to win this. In addition to the GoPro, I'm also giving away the Tough Claw, the RAM extension, and the GoPro adapter. I can tell you that 500 of you haven't sent me an email yet to enter, so I really want you guys to win this, so send me an email. You only got 2 more days left to enter. The plan is on Monday, after all the emails are gone through, I'm going to pick a winner by random, and it could be one of you. So I'll film that, and I'll have a video early next week with the giveaway announcement. In other news, I'm going to Mongolia next week, so I'm not going to be able to do any motorcycle videos. I'm not going on a motorcycle trip, it's actually going to be a photography tour. I'm going with Brendan Vanson, and I'll put a link in the description below to his channel if you guys want to follow the adventures of Mongolia. He does a travel photography channel, and he announced this trip about 1.5 years ago. And I signed up for it, and I want to go and see what it's all about. So I'm going to go to Mongolia and take some pictures, and I'll try to do a video from Mongolia and update you guys on what's going on there. In other news, have you seen the new C8 Corvette? I want one so bad. This car has been great and I love it, and I want to keep it actually. But I'd love to add a C8 to the garage as well. I need to clean out the garage to make that happen, but just don't tell my wife that I'm planning on getting a C8. I'm not going to get one of the Stingrays, the launch editions. I'm going to wait for the Z06 to come out and then see how much it costs and see if I can swing it. If I can swing it, I'll be adding a C8 Corvette to the fleet, and it'll be a fun car to have. It's supercar-ish, and the price is not supercar-ish. So I can't wait to see what the Z06 brings, and I'm hoping that it's going to be an amazing package. So stay tuned for that. In another 1.5 years, I'll probably have a C8 Corvette. Alright, in some past videos I asked you guys for some advice on what should I do to hook up my power. I did receive my cable to branch off of my power outlet to run my relay for my power distribution. So that video will be coming out in the future, and I look forward to doing the install on that. I also ordered a kickstand enlarger to make the footprint of my kickstand a little bit bigger. If you know, a couple weeks ago my bike fell over and the kickstand didn't have a good grip and it tilted and came down and scratched my bar end a little bit, so I'll be doing this install in the future as well. Alright guys, finally in the next couple of weeks you're going to see some videos from my Canadian sport tour that I did last summer. I've been lazy with my editing, and I still got some episodes to go through and put out videos on. So I'll get those finished up and get you guys some content for the next couple of weeks while I'm away in Mongolia. But for now, that's all I have for you guys. Have a great day. Send me an email to enter that GoPro giveaway, and I'll see you guys next video. Thanks!